Hi guys and welcome to this new video. Today I want to try forging a katana from rebar. Let's start by hammering it flat. Next I'll bevel the blade. This means I'm just gonna hammer on one side so what the one side gets thinner and the other keeps being thick. I finished beveling the blade, but the handle of course should not be beveled, so I'll just forge out the handle flat. This is how it looks after forging. If you take a look at the handle, you can see that the thickness on this side is the exact same as on this side. But when it comes to the blade, it of course tapers down. So you can see that here, and then it goes all the way up to the end. Yes. What I wanted to mention is that I won't make like a traditional katana, and this means that I won't make like a construction of the handle where the tang goes into the handle and is surrounded by a wooden handle. I will use a sturdier method, and this means I'm going to make the handle full tang. And for this I'm going to attach handle scales to it. But first I'll grind it to shape. As you can see, it's a little bit uneven here, but that's no problem at all. I'll just grind it right out. Also grind away all of the scale and bevel it some more. Yeah, let's do that now. it's ready to be hardened. For this I'll be quenching it in some water. Now, I'd hoped this wouldn't happen, but exactly that happened. First of all, the blade is very hard and very brittle now, but as you can see, it picked up a warp to the left. This happens sometimes when you're quenching long blades. Now I hope I can get that out while tempering. Tempering means that I'll heat up the blade some more, but just a little bit so it turns to a golden straw color, the steel. And while doing that, I'm going to clamp the bend down and hope it will correct itself. But yeah, let's see. As you can see, I ground away some of the forging scale just because now I can see the color of the steel. And of course I clamped it down. So at the moment it is straight, but let's hope that it keeps its straightness. And yeah, let's place it over the coals. The next step is to cut out the handle scales. I put the handle scales together with some double-sided tape so I can shape them evenly. Because I want to drill the holes through the tang and the handle scales at the same time, I'll of course tape it again. I already did one side. To glue it together, I'm gonna use some 2-part epoxy. The next step is to finish the handle. There you can see the finished sword. Let's test it. So this was the video for today. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching and see you!